Shall I go for further discussion? Yes, say any other question. Yeah, now today's our class is completely MCQs, multiple choice questions. MCQs, multiple choice questions based on the completed topics, especially equations of motion. Right, Nana? Especially based on the equations of motion. Nana, one asked me 17th question. Who is that, Nana? Rakshita, na? 17th question. Asked me. I think yesterday she asked me. 17th question.
Sir.
Rakshita, Nana? Rakshita, you only?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Have you got? Yes. You got it?
Yes.
Yes. Next, remaining any other questions? Remaining any other questions?
The 35th question.
35th. Tell me, Anna, 35th. What is that question? You only. Yes. Tell me. Tell me, Nana. 35th question.
A car accelerates from rest.
A car accelerates from rest. Nana.
A constant rate.
At a constant. At a constant rate.
Alpha.
Alpha.
For some time.
For some time. Tell me, Nana.
After which decelerates at a constant rate.
Accelerates.
Decelerates.
Decelerates. Right. Decelerates.
A constant rate beta.
At constant rate beta meter by
Comes
second.
to rest.
Comes to rest. Tell me, Nana.
Total time elapsed is t.
Total time elapsed
T.
Is t.
Then maximum velocity acquired by car will be.
Then maximum velocity acquired by car. Acquired by the car is. Then car will be
Will be.
Car will be. There is options, Nana. Tell me options. Options, Nana.
Sir, alpha square minus beta square into t.
Beta square into t.
By alpha beta.
By alpha beta.
Second option. Alpha square plus beta square into t by alpha beta.
Into t by alpha beta.
Alpha plus beta into t by alpha beta.
Into t by alpha beta.
Alpha beta by t by alpha beta t by alpha plus beta.
T by alpha plus beta. Right, Nana? See here, a car accelerates from rest at a constant rate alpha meter by second square for some time. For some time. Right, Nana? What is given? It was started from first case. I am taking it as case 1. In the first case, a car starting from rest, Nana. So starting from rest, nothing but a u is equals to 0. It is traveling with a constant acceleration. acceleration, constant acceleration A nana. With constant acceleration A is equals to A only. Sorry, alpha meter by second square. For some time, T is also time. Let us consider T. Right, Nana? It was started here, car. Let us consider it is the car. It was started journey. So initially it was at rest. That's why U0 and at T is equal 0, U is equal 0, S is equals to also 0. It was started journey and it was S traveling up to particular time. For some time it was maintaining a constant acceleration. Right, Anna? This is first case. So for this, there are set of equations. You can use any one of the equation because first of all, yes, maximum, then maximum velocity they are asking. What is asking, Nana? Elapsed time in particular time. Total time is how much? From here to here, T. So let us consider this T is equals to, let us consider up to particular time. Let us consider this is T1. For T1 seconds, for some time, that some time I am considering T1 time. For T1 time, right now, for T1 time, it was traveled with this much of acceleration and it was started from started with this accelerator, sorry, this velocity, initial velocity 0 from rest. So now from this situation, you can write, you can use velocity V is equals to U plus AT is a formula. Right, Nana? So V is equals to U is how much, Nana? 0 plus alpha T1. V is equals to alpha T1. V is equals to alpha T1. But I don't know T1 is what here. Just I am saying, let us say, just this is I am saying T1. They have not given this value T1 seconds. So just I am saying for our convenient only I am saying. So T1 is unknown quantity. That's why this is the answer, but T1 is unknown quantity. So my task is I want to calculate the T1 and substitute that value in this equation. Then that is the final answer because they are asking velocity. Right, Nana? So for that purpose, right, Nana? For that purpose, it was started, this car was started journeyed here, it was ended. So total time it was traveled. They given total time, Nana. Total time elapsed is T to get the rest. To comes to rest, it was started here and it was started journey and up to particular time T1, it was accelerated and then this is how much, Nana? Total time is T. So this acceleration in this it is maintaining alpha acceleration, but after that for some time after T1 time it is decelerate. So decelerate nothing but it is decreasing the speed. I told you already. I explained very well about this acceleration, types of acceleration. Under the types of acceleration there are two different types. First one is the acceleration. Second one is deceleration. Deceleration is nothing but a retardation. Retardation is nothing but the change in velocity. The change in velocity is occurred in two different ways, either in the magnitude or in the direction. So if the magnitude is constant, but maybe there is a possibility to change in the direction. So if the direction is constant, there is a possibility to change in the magnitude. If in the magnitude also there are two different classifications. The first classification, the classification is simply by increasing the speed or decrease speed. So by increasing the speed, it will be a acceleration. By decreasing the speed, it will be a deceleration. So alpha is acceleration up to here, and retardation also. No, very good. Retardation. So it is increasing its speed. It is increasing its speed That's why it is yes up to particular time, t1 time, up for some time. Now after some time, it is decreasing its speed. It is decreasing its speed, nothing but simply it is getting deceleration or retardation. So that is also given beta. It is also given as beta. But the total time also elapsed is also given to get the rest. It was started here and comes to rest. So to get the rest position after this one, there are two different rest positions. It was started from rest and it was ended at rest. So final velocity at here also 0. Here initial velocity is 0 for whole, but here there is a velocity, that is this one. At here its velocity is how much? Yes, I am selecting this final velocity as v1. From here to here, this is the first case, this is second case. For first case, final velocity is this one, v1 is equals to alpha t1. Now from here to here, we are discussing. So total time is t. Now it was t1. So this is how much? T minus t1. T minus time it was traveled from here to here. Right, Nana? So ET for second case, case 2. Initial velocity u is equals to v1. Right, Nana? So time t is equals to t minus t1. Final velocity v is equals to 0. Right, Nana? Is it okay? So I want to calculate simply final velocity v is equals to, I want to calculate velocity. So here you can write this as alpha t1. So and acceleration, sorry, deceleration, nothing but acceleration only, but it is decreasing. So you must indicate that by this a only. So a is equals to simply beta meter by second square. Right, Anna? A is also given. So u is there, t is there, v is there, a is there. Yes, by using this, you must calculate the t1 value. By calculating the t1 value, the task is completed. Right, Nana? Yes. How can you calculate? V is equals to u plus at. V is equals to u plus at is the formula because it is moving along a straight line. Now v is how much? 0. U is how much? v1. v1 is how much? Alpha t1 plus a is how much? Beta. But it is not an acceleration, Nana. It is a deceleration. So you can take this as minus. It is minus beta because it is decreasing. So it is indicating this minus symbol is indicating what? Simply it is decreasing. Now minus beta. Then after that beta t. T is how much, Nana, idea? T minus t1. Is it okay, Nana? T minus t1. So I am sending this term to this side. Beta into t minus t1 is equals to alpha t1. So beta t minus beta t1 is equals to alpha t1. I am sending this term to this side. So beta t is equals to beta t1. I am sending this side. Beta t1. It is becoming plus alpha t1 plus beta t1. Beta t is equals to, I am taking common t1, alpha plus beta into t1. Right, Nana? Alpha plus beta into t1. So I am sending this to this side. So t1 is equals to beta t by alpha plus beta. Right, Nana? I got a t1. Maximum velocity, nothing but see here, Nana. Yes, t1 I got. By substituting this value in this equation, you will get the velocity v1 is equals to alpha t1. But alpha into t1 is nothing but a beta t by alpha plus beta. Then alpha beta t by alpha plus beta. This is v1. So